How to monetize and control access to your event. I am your AI avatar, ready to showcase the key features and functionalities of myOnvent. In this video tutorial, you will be introduced to the following myOnvent features: payment and access management, invitation codes. myOnvent is currently integrated with the payment platform Stripe. To add a payment solution to your event, the paid event option needs to be enabled in the event settings under the Setup tab. Make sure you have set these toggles correctly, because you won't be able to edit these settings once your event has been published. After, head over to the Access tab. Click on Connect with Stripe, and follow the instructions to sign into your Stripe account or create a new one. Then, choose carefully the currency you'd like to set, because the currency can't be changed once your event has been published. Next, let's look into access management, creating packages and setting their access levels. Under the Access tab of your organizer dashboard, head to the Packages section to start. Click on Create Package, and add the details, as well as the price point if you've enabled payment for it. Once this is saved, it will appear in the list of available packages. Enable the visible toggle if you want the package to be available for any user who registers for the event from the Join as Participant button on the event's homepage. Once you've set up all the packages you'd like, you can pick which access levels they each have. Head to the Access section, and choose the user group to manage. Here, by enabling and disabling the toggles, you can set which event zones a user in each package will have access to. If you would like to control who can register to your event, invitation code functionality can be enabled. Head over to the Setup tab of your organizer dashboard, and under Event Settings, enable invitation codes within the Accessibility section. Once you've enabled invitation codes, all users registering will require one. You can then head over to the Access tab, where you'll land on invitation codes, and you can create and manage your codes. Once you click Save, the list of codes generated will appear. You will be able to edit the usage limit by clicking on Edit, as well as see how many times the code was used under the usage column. If needed, you have an option to delete the code. Thank you for your attention. We hope this tutorial has empowered you to create engaging and memorable events. We invite you to check out our further video tutorials or in-depth PDF documentation. For any further questions, please get in touch with us via email at contact@myonvent.com.